Let's try this again. Round 2. I need a bottle opener. Hello. Hello, everybody. It's your girl, Fallexi, coming back at you with a brand new of everything's going wrong like it does. My intro was solid, and now nothing's solid. Everything is broken. I can't even intro. My mic was muted. My whole intro.
Are there actually people on there?
Yes, there's like 12.
Hey guys!
All the little dragons are gathering. We're making pies. That was the point of this. I'm making a pie with my Nana. And it started off with this great intro and talked about... I'm back. Welcome back.
And we put 1.5 in there.
Why do you do wheat?
Because it's healthy. It's so much better for you. So I make a compromise between healthy and aesthetic. What do you think?
Aesthetically healthy. All right. Why does it have a hole in the center? Like, what is the purpose of... Why is it holy?
Just so you'd ask, I guess.
Wait, really?
Well, I don't know why else it would do that.
What?
Why not? I mean, what the heck?
What does the whole...
All right, we're putting a half a cup.
I want answers, not the next step.
Of shortening. And you know what? I do it so much better with my hands. Really, I do. Just, you know, dig in and get it done, you know? All that using of instruments. What the heck were they invented for?
Yeah.
Back to our cave days.
Get back to the cave days.
Get those hands in there. Get them dirty. This feels so good. Yeah. You should try it. Okay.
You should start streaming.
There we go.
There are ladies your age who stream and they make bank. You should do it. They sent you to horny jail.
What? Did you say thorny?
No, I said horny. I did say horny, but aren't you supposed to be downstairs?
And it's been really important to take paper off too.
You know,
because that's so hard to chew.
I love that we just have this bottle of vodka, nothing else in the like around it. It's just sitting there like.
Yes, well, that's the great surprise about my pie dough. Is it's a little bit drunk. It gets a little bit of vodka in it.
Why do you sound like Goofy? Yuck. It's got a little bit of vodka in it. I'm overheating from laughter.
We could use that little instrument.
The instrument?
The little instrument.
But you seem to work better with your hands than the instrument.
Well, this is a little harder than... I'd go find you one, but, you know,
you're dirty.
Yeah.
Hey, tell Nana that...
What? Maybe don't tell me. Don't drink my vodka. Why do they call her the Dragon Queen?
I'm wearing...
How cute. You're the fat tire?
What?
Okay.
Thanks. I am the thickest of tires. Thank you.
Mix.
You're using utensils again, I see.
Oh, jeez. Give me a dry portion so I can moisten it up.
You gotta make her moister, Nana.
That's right. Keep going.
I'm trying.
We used this.
Vodka Monopoloa.
Basuski. Monopolo.
Gesundheit.
So we make basically a ball, and then I'm gonna divide the ball into
2 balls?
3. Woo!
An odd medical condition.
An odd medical condition. And this is a handmade rolling pin.
Husband beater.
That's a good idea. I'm not a perfectionist. I just like to cook, like to have my hands in things. Right?
Uh-huh.
Right.
Specifically the dart. So would that make me Falexi's great granddad dad if I adopt Nana? Mel, go to the jail. Go to jail right now. Stop it.
Do not pass go.
Do not pass go. Straight to jail.
Straight.
Or does it need to be like if you put the crust in the pie thing and don't put pie stuff into it immediately?
No, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay, so it's my turn to test.
Okay. So
if
what?
I've
Are
got
you going
the
to-
waifu skills, yeah, I'm gonna take the
All
husband
right.
beater.
Go, girl.
Hair back, ass up. That's the way I like to cook. Is this like
Okay.
Is this like pie crust lube?
This is not round. Wife is.
It identifies as a circle. Okay.
No.
How dare you to assume my pie crust shape?
We want a circle. It's
Circle. It's like
round like a moon. Moon shape. Moon goddess. You can do it.
I'm not a moon goddess. I'm a dragon.
No. Even dragons know shapes. Come on.
You don't know. She's identifying. Yeah. What's your favorite memory with me, Nana? Let's go.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. I have so many.
Oh no.
I have lots of great memories.
I don't know if you do. In Safari Dude voice. And here we look into the dragon's den as they prepare their meals. That's the best I got for Safari voice. We got Nana Dragon, or Dragon Nana, we got Dragon Queen Fallexi, and we got Dragon. Ow! I just my fucking Vegeta.
And this is goat food. Goats will eat all of our apple cores. Isn't it wonderful? We don't waste anything here. Everything goes to Dragon Queens. We got about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna turn
Gotta show
it down.
off the apple pie. Hold on.
Well, it's not done yet.
I don't care.
I need to get rid of all the sugar and cinnamon off mine.
Ah, yes, you can tell with my bright ass light. But look at that. We've got pie. They're assaulting that pie. See, I made a pun earlier. Did you guess that? Did you catch that pun, Nana?
You're so subtle, though.
Yeah. Listen, I dealt with a week of puns. There's only so much I can do. Oh, this is going on top. This is the top. This is the dog.
is the top one. Here we go.
My
Up
least
and
favorite
over.
part. I prefer bottom personally.
You can carve on it. What do you
I
want
can
to
carve on it.
You can carve an apple, put a leaf, and some. What do you call it?
You
At the bottom.
You have a high
Harry
expectation
Potter.
of my Harry Potter.
Stem at the top.
You want to give it a hairy bottom and a stem at the top, eh?
Yep, I think so.
So what you're telling me is to draw a penis.
There you go. Start carving.
So you will
Carve it out, girl. Come on.
chat. Do I draw a dick?
Well,
would be.
you know how funny that would be? It's kind of
apple-ish.
right.
Do it. I'm gonna do my logo.
Go, go.
As much as I want to draw a penis into the pie. Woo! Technically, there's wings, but I feel like then just for giggles, I'm just gonna. And if it comes out, I'm gonna be very happy.
Okay.
Wait, let me take a
Show off
picture.
your pie.
I don't. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I gotta take a picture. There's the swirly F Disney font. Boom. There's the penis. Right there. Right there. I did it. Don't tell Papa. I'm gonna get a weird look tomorrow. if it does what I want it to do.
Japanese can opener. It is steel. It is stainless steel. Gengi. G-A-N-G-Y.
Gangy?
Gengi. not
Gengi.
Gengi.
I'm gonna get whacked with a spoon.
This
at some
thing
point.
will never fail you.
Multifunctional brass knuckles. That is what they just call this. And honestly, they're not wrong. How old am I, Nana? Yeah, actually, hold on. Let's play this game. How old am I?
Actually, she was born in 1897.
This is what good this is what good egg beating sounds like. That is a yellow.
You bet. That's why our pumpkins are not on our pumpkin. something. Our lemon pie is actually yellow.
Is because of the egg?
Because of those egg yolks.
Not because it's a lemon?
No.
I feel lied to. Nana, you dropped the can!
I did.
I can't believe you've done this. Okay, so we're done with this prep part. So now we're just vibing while we're waiting for the pie.
We're vibing.
We're vibing.
We're vibing.
It's time for vibing time. I think Nana
Vibing.
vibe times.
Vibing.
Vibing with Nana.
Does that mean I have to vibrate?
No, Nana! No, you do not need to vibrate! They put you back into jail. You've been bombed once again. So,
Confounded.
Nana and I have a tradition. It's when we do things together. We live. We breathe.
And we do hope you'll join us.
Cheers to Thanksgiving and our first stream together.
Hooray.
And everybody loves you.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Now lick, drink,
Lick.
suck.
Lick.
Drink. Oh.
Oh. Okay. Last Nana standing.
Woo! I watched your facial reaction on the screen, and the lime juice came out my nose. Woo! Let's go into the backstory of Nana.
Because they never die. They just always live.
Legends
They never die.
Never, never, never. Never.
Never have I ever felt like this before.
Never, 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 ever. Is a never. Is that a never? Is that a rap?
Is that a rap? Is that just one
Is that a
rap?
rap?
Just a single rap. Is that a rap? It's gonna be now. Toby, you know what to do.
So never, 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 ever. Never, 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 ever. Never, never, never. Never, 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 ever. Never, 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 ever. They never die. Never, 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 ever. Never, 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 ever. Never, never, never. Never, 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 ever. Never, 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 ever. They never die.
What's up? When I was in Arizona, Rick with a W. He's one of my.
What's a W?
What is a W? It's a letter, Nana. It's a letter.
I think I know that much. Maybe you shouldn't tell
So
me.
it's Rick with a W. Like
Oh!
his name is spelled Rick, but with a W.
Some kind of code.